2025 November gutter clean, Sun Prairie. We made it here before the snow started this year. Awesome day. Thank you for having us out here again. Kat, it's been an honor and a privilege providing you amazing gutter cleaning services over the years. All the gutter debris removed, downspouts power flush. We did a extra detailed job of cleaning off any debris, got the hoses out, cleaned off the back deck. Notice you had a tree trim back there, had a lot of debris on top of the roof, so got all that cleaned up out of the gutters for you too. Now in the springtime, when you're ready, we can also do a cleaning on the shingles. There's a number of areas with algae on your shingles, green algae, black mold, and I would encourage an additional cleaning tune-up on the shingles. You can start to see this green stuff develop here. So a house wash, roof clean service. While we're here, we can actually apply a coating to your shingles, let it soak down, and it'll make your roof look like an Armor All treatment. Lasts for a long time, gives you an additional 5 years life to your roof. Generally 80% less the cost of a new roof. So super good value there. So look forward to helping you with these services in the spring when you're ready. Eddie, owner, operator, multi-man services. Let us know if there's anything else we can help you with. Look forward to helping you in the future. Take care.